bra Facebook and YouTube. And yebeye fact check kakra. Na eye free primary healthcare no ho nsem eba ya mampani pa ho ntoma no. Yehu se nkomo pinu anamase about debate on national health insurance and the account and yebeye fact check no kase fidie so. But in the meantime no yanko na yentie mampani kakra ewo free primary healthcare lunch no jumedia ebedi ene de ebeye yentie mampani nsem kakra.
The free primary healthcare is complementary to the national health insurance. It's not coming to replace it. It is coming to complement the national health insurance. So it doesn't mean that because the free primary healthcare has come, you shouldn't get a national health insurance card. You should still have a national health insurance card. But at the point of examination and treatment at the polyclinic level, at the health center level, at the CHIPS compound level, at the health kiosk level, you don't need
Nhyira
at that point. You just need your Ghana card or any form of identification to show that you are a Ghanaian and you are a resident in that community to be able to access health care.
Enti mampeni asem no tiawa se emma se ebeyi national health insurance every ho. And that is a fact. Our state say emma se ebeyi national health insurance every ho. Nemum ne ebeye ne se ebeka ho abeboa national health insurance ejumedie no. But ne ase ye hye no nso ene se this particular policy free primary health care policy no. Na hoɔden anaa ne sika obenya de adi dwuma nyina no hye no nso se first of all mpanimfoɔ eyi de free national health insurance fund ni mu sika ye to a yegege free VAT no ene de yetua no fam so national health levy no a yetuatua akwan ahodo pii so aban adwumafoɔ yetete wo 2.5% ɛwɔ mo senate mu ni ade di tua ɛkɔfoto a yede bɔ national health insurance mu bra no enum 1.2 billion ena aban be yi de di sa ne free primary health care eno hu dwuma enti se wo hwa free primary health care no national health insurance na se nemum de ma no adanso kakra no ene se de mampani kan de wo hia ne se wo identification bi ana se ade e be kire se wo ye Ghana ni okwa Ghana card na bibi e kire se wo ye Ghana ni bia no udi wura ho a ubetumi anya ya de hwe ana se asupiti no health center chip compounds RCH units of polyclinics no any health post ahodo a wono mu esu wo bebiebie no miamia ahodo no aka ho no edwam ni ade no uwura ho a ye nye wo hwe no anse wo de o card a kire se wo ye Ghana ni na omo ahwew free a wontua kapre o de toto ye normal health insurance ya ye use ho a ne etie ne se health insurance no one etwa se wotua premium bi anase utua sika bi na wo dia register na wa ya enroll wo national health insurance ni mama wudin aba system no so etisiketua ewum ansa na wanya national health insurance card no na wo dia kwa asupiti wo konso a ne etie ne se enoma ne bebree wo ho no mo a national health insurance na encover ebi kura wo ho na eye donor funding na wo de yenti a wo kwa yenye wo hwinti wo fin se insurance na cover no ebi ti se immunization abrofo no taabre ye sika bi me didi dwuma ye funding a sky de bre nti ehemu a wo kwa wontua nti wo ba ne be wo de pane a immunizing a wontua maternal care yi ni ade nyina no wontua nti ye wo se bi a national health insurance na cover da bi donor funding and the fasa aka no so enti national health insurance no cover no mani bebree ewo ya asupiti ni mu especially okwa ase ho a say ye chip compound health centers no ni ade ni nyina nti so wahwa so obi ko hospital no oni health insurance na OPD card nyina otua wia wo check in the pressure bibia wo ye bia no otua but this time around with the free primary health care no HSA so health insurance ewu se we need health insurance you ne wo hia your identification card o Ghana Canada akura health center polyclinics no ana se chip compound ana health post no besisi no na ya hwew se wuti na ye wo ya na ade awura ho ne ya hwe ne ya mo wadru na wokọ wa bra wuntu akapre this is the free primary health care policy na abano and bebree say any national health insurance no cry difference be anim eye pet activities na ebe koso no de say breast screening any blood glucose check any ne yekeka ka ho ni nyina blood pressure check no ni sa no mani nyina no a ewo free primary health care ni mu no any health education on beko school mu akokyerekere abodwa akyerɛkyerɛ o mapomuden ho nsɛm na yɛtufo wɔ sɛ bi nuanidi ho ne apomuden ho abrabɔbɔ no ni nyina no yɛ normal a ɛwɔ hɔ dada okɔ hospitals ne ade no a community health nurses no ne other professionals no mo yɛ education health promotion officers ne ade mo yɛ prevention and promotion ne dada but this free primary health care policy no ɛbɛbua ma ahyɛ mu kena na akade a wo mu nyamfa ni dwuma no sa akade na ba in fact bebre kɔ efiefiem ekosra wo mu dada nyafi na ɛbɛba omutimi kɔ home visit any ade kɔhwa nkrofo a wɔn mu entumi ma hospital ɛwɔ hospital bia wɔn rural health unit wo a wɔn ne nanam kɔ afiefiem ni ade kɔkɔhwɛ ɛkɔsoso nkwala anu mu wɔ mpa ne nya ade ɛyɛ foforo na emom de ama na bɛyɛ foforo ne sɛ empempi no wɔn kɔ a wɔn target bi sɛ bi a yɛkɔso nkwada anu yɛkɔ na yakɔ wɔn nkwada mpa ne anase yɛkɔ bibisa asa anase yɛkɔ education yɛkɔ budwane akyerɛkyerɛ asa by free primary health care policy no de ɛnoma bi abɛka ho ɛbɛboa ne sɛ kids a akade a wɔn mu ɛde bɛ assess nkrofo te sɛ blood pressure machine yi any glucose test kits any noma stethoscope ni ade gadgets bi ebehia ɛma wɔn de check assess nkrofo apomuden ɛwɔ fie no ni nyina no wɔn making available which before no enye baabia na wɔn wo bia wɔn didi dwuma ɛwɔ yɛn mpɔtɛmu it is wɔn bɛyɛ na wɔn ahyɛ mu kena that is the difference wɔn bɛ improve no ama na kɔ n'anim it is alright a wɔn de saa tricycle ni other means of transport about say motorbike any idea wɔn de bɛboa mampani lunch yɛ hun sɛ bi wɔ hɔ je mato somae ɛnie ɛyɛ free primary health care sa tricycles see any motorbikes ni essential medications ahodo nuru kakra bi ehia omo de betimi de akọ community ni mu e de akọboa no e na omo lunch ye omo lunch sa means of transport nti e beboa ma omo ani moto ebi okro mu ntimi nkọ outreach no enkonko hwe nkrofo no because omo ni means no ene aban ne so wo hye mu kina de sika hye mu omo atumi de sa moto ni ade ni nyina bia me mama districts ni nyina hospital facilities no matumi adi sa adwuma no. Enti say ye deliberate about primary health care no afei ena adan ni ho adi nti betumi aka se eye bibi foforo a aban we di nani ahwe so opese saa ho no o hyemu kina no wo pejam enti now we the difference eno nkyere se eba it is health insurance na and there is no difference we are primary prevention and promotion of healthcare. Na ade ba ko ne se ebi a obi tifie kura no sika a woni enti no on peso okọ hospital ho because wo ko wura ho no oni health insurance ya card ya ye ginko ebi a 20 cedi 30 cedis ontimi ntua ye check ne blood pressure ne ade obekọ akọ check ne sugar eni no ma obetua oni sika obetua eno na aban ne se obi a woni sika saa no wotifie no opeso kwaya de sabia nso wontimi nkọ no obetumi abawura health centers chip compounds RCH unit of polyclinics nyina na wakɔhwɛ ne ho ɛwɔ abra omunye ne kapre. That is a difference. That is a new thing. Into those who are saying there is nothing new, no, this is a new thing. Obia and found so we insurance and I wouldn't be. It when a man broad a beam and na the standard dance on say markets ne other open areas now almost so the kiosks basis ni ade atimi aboama health professionals ni bi betrem ene o dwam na ofin se bia o ho kra na edodo na wawuram no akọ check sugar check pressure ne no ma no matumi ahwe so o mu hu se bibi ha dwe wo mu a watumi a refer wa mo akwaya de sabia ho amoma toa care no so no eno so ye another thing a ebeboa a new thing I know so eba do say empempi no ya na hospitals ni bi any facilities ni bi timi ko ye community outreach no ma ko si table bi wo ba bi no mo hwe nkrofo eno bi a once a month any ade but this one on be no consistent say ebe ya activity ebe ho nti baka say these activities are not new but the only issue is that aban aye deliberate say opese sa ahodo wo hyemu kena wetwa sika a wodi bedi sa adwuma no, and it's something that ese o man no ye nije ho ne ye hwese ebetumi akoyie. But my problem is that eduru ba bia ye hye bibia se fefefe nanso odwumtuni bi nwum osese bewie. That is the problem. Enti fund no a yakase ebeyi e free national health insurance fund mu na ye de hu dwuma no ye behwe se be consistent. Na monso a mu ko use sa tricycle weni motorbikes no ye hu ambulance na ye de fa cement ambulance a na ebinum kura de akosoa enubone ne ade a wom de twam na wan ne ade ye hu yi ebra na adran kwa kufu ado de ambulances yi bai ye hu de ambulance o ma ya o ma sese no ene ambulance ni nyina over 300 dodo na breki a just say entimi ancha mayen. So this ones no ese monitoring ye adwuma abaning lanche ne sa akwa mumma monitoring ye adwuma se be ya ye betumi abɔ ho ban na acha mayen omo eka se hu hia ena motorbike na we no de. In fact se wo sabe oti kumase ne nkran ko a wonhu saa na o ma we so mfaso. Let me tell you, se oti kumase ene nkran kumase no oti kurum ene nkran a ubebu ni say de tricycle kra de ade ni motorbike de yen ye per ambulance yasi motorbike. But this tricycle ambulance no ye wo ba bi wo ho no mu a untumi mfa ka nwura, especially uko eye afram so nkurase ni ba bi nkudua no mo enom ohima dida no asefo ni nkurase no ba bi ni ade a wo anya motorbike we bi ene sa tricycle si a ebe ye din ama. So betumi akosa amia no because car ntimi nko. This is a great policy eba ehun hyehyeye no. I believe say esi nyina yesum na etumi boa say nei wo namo a ubetumi akọ health post no a check wo ho no wahu say bibi hawa. In fact medical culture say non-communicable diseases na meka na non-communicable diseases about 45% of ewu a nkrofo ewu nyina no ombehwehwe mu no na non-communicable disease e wo Ghana. Yade a ensai bi te say diabetes, hypertension, to pressure cause wunim onam yeso onyade otwahwe wawu saa no mani nyina diabetes, sugar cause obi anim e wo ha na ase ne kidneys wo behwe na kidney yade no obewu nipa no obu a woni skenti wan ko hospital class wo ko check da. But this will be an opportunity say nipa no betumi anya free screening ni bi ye checking sugar enye ne hwe wewe a obetumi ehu de ha no na atumi abo ne ho bra. So I don't understand why some people will be against this policy. Mentiase say obi be go against this policy. Ebi a wo sika. Nti wo de obowura mu a ukodi udwuma. Ebi a de wo sika nti wa subscribe to national health insurance na wo di udwuma ba wo hwe mu a 66% of Ghanaians pe na subscribe nti we Ghana for eye edu a emu nsia pe na aye health insurance di emu be ye eco 9 no de about 34% running to emu miensa de ko 9 de omu ni bi. Edu omo saa no insurance no kura wantimi anye premium kitwa no wantimi antua anye nti kye se wo mu so eda ohia buburo afa o mu nika pre wo mbutom no saa police we be boa mo mu so atimi ahwe o mapomuden wa bra sikasem emeya kwansidie. And this is a good thing. Mejiri ye say ese ye nyina yesum na health insurance sadie we buy no health insurance who debate sorry utietie mu a na no meche se menua miracles aboaje won ka ho asem se the national health insurance say health ye making it free ewo Ghana ha no de se wo hwe mu a enye de ewu okofo a na ebi emada. But ene ye fa check kakra na yakoyachi ahwade na yahwese no krebe de wo sanse mu ni mu na yetumi enyamu entiase ba bia national health insurance free policy no adwene pa Ghana nya yese yebema manfo anya apomuden a wonum entwi ahwe na yayi cash and carry pocket payment and san wanya waya rehwe no yayi edi free ho no he na shase free. Now bra Facebook in Nhyira 104.5 I'm actually analyzing this from report wa USAID published here in 2013 na another research in so di ahemfo University of Amsterdam and also published here in 2003 enuna ye basis for deducing the historical trend national health insurance ayewo eni etimi afamu adane dane ne ho abeduru de yeduri na over Facebook according to the USAID report on health finance and governance, NHIS ayewo sisi no oba recognizing it say one of the ambitious policies enam soma African countries ni bebree omo yeso mbesua because no start here with mutual health insurance into other district baby abefa bia na wutumi huhu sa health insurance offices na district led health insurance na ebu apayi anti that particular health insurance no USAID recognizing say a very ambitious amanya hodo ni bi Africa ha wonu mo hwe yeso se wonu besua but efri he na abeduru ha let's take ourselves back to health financing say yehwe sika aban bi anase obampani bi na adwen se me de be hye health mu anase apomuden mu obi bekọ a ontua kapra ehya se free osaje for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah so post colonial era no immediately after independence ainyai 1957 post colonial era no Dr. Osaje for Kwame Nkrumah and da hono this is your report Dr. Osaje for Kwame Nkrumah try say obebua na Ghana omo kwa ya de sabia no hospitals no so o beds kra na o chepe 1,000 population kra na nru one obema omo ebekọ asupiti ni nyina no ombenya pomuden a ehwe a yanyi wo mo kapre tuba Facebook a be se da ho enti that cash and carry system no a na ewo ho eye pre colonial era no de ba ni nyina de yi no enti obema saa de no atimi afri ho na enam so ma o try say obe fande eye hospitals public hospitals any health centers in fact the word is public into we say a private ni ade na it wasn't recognized but we are public hospitals and health centers and a pharmacies under these particular facilities na Kwame Nkrumah and agents obe fund we every general tax mu as of that time said ye be canon na private hospitals ni ade na bia ewo that time omo create omo de omo hwe nkrofo de na omo je omo sika but Kwame Nkrumah make sure say from the general tax ye benya sika bia ye de bebo apomuden ho ebra in 1970s 1980s no due to economic stagnation or how I buy sika sem o mine ntutu ye ne ade enti no what happened ne say enisuade hunu na Osaje for Kwame Nkrumah was saying ki benya ne saa with the public hospitals and the health centers na ye nya ne free ni ade ade no esaje nsem ti na ban ntimi nya sika ntua mankrofo nti we limited access by na manfo ntimi go sika sem ba mu yes go back to the cash and carry system no eno nda ho no enti ubetimi aba Facebook na yahwe na Jeff second document no enti due to that ebe hadwin ema cash and carry no saba in the 70s and the 80s Jeff nyewe kosro mame na waye ne nkakra ba ko na no nko ada ho sa no I wish I could be sliding myself kosro kakra na omonkenkai thank you like this it is over 1980s I mean the 72 ede bana baby I 72 no there was increased reliance on such fees na it was say yes go back to cash and carry system because of the economic situation na ye wono na osha the last paragraph from that time in 1989 and 1992 between 1989 and 1992 health insurance esa be pie mu biem anase apomudin a yɛde sika ahyɛ mu a ɛbɛpie mu bi mu no na ɛmfiri aban hɔ na ɛfiri ɛyɛ Catholic diocese bi a wɔn mo ɛbɛpie mu ɛwɔ ɛyɛ Sunyane district mu as of that time. Na Nkranza community no sa Catholic fui asori fui organization create health insurance de my community no na ɛyɛ Nkranza community health insurance scheme. Na wɔn started with St. Teresa's Hospital a memisa ɛyɛ NGO bi a wɔn ɛyɛ Dutch Christian for Christopher Macron wɔn abom Dutch for ɛna wɔn mo ɛbɛyɛ sa health insurance no ɛde ma Nkranza community no. And in fact, one more enroll by the year 2000 from 89 between 89 and 92 now Mumbai no. By the year 2000 no man enroll about 30% of a district no population at the Sunyane district. One more anka se sika omo funding aban di enim. Omo de nhihye to akwam se obi kɔ hospital ho a ontua hwe. And omo sha ase se one more trim. Enti by 2001 Danida any US aid one mo eba be so mu e de sika be shame wo mu said ya sorry for ne eye no ye papa enti mo mutumi fund about 47 mutual health organization scheme a che say and sorry di omde be kan no manfo nso omde bebre be kan wo sika no omde shame nti e ma organizations bebre nso be join ya na omuso create be in other districts 34 districts in Ghana e be shame mu bi a wo nso na wo benefit from this health insurance and I say be can say health funding no na increase here by 2002 na increase here to 140 schemes tina yes separate schemes to say ye ya kan bom ya ye be hye yade ahodo no kwa ye timi hwe yade we ye hwe yade we ni nyina health insurance ne na ye no ye wo de na nchichemu wom intina limitations wo meso yade a ehaw any scheme kura ese hwew tabre no. Enti ni nyina mu no na wo hwe Ghana population na e kire kodu 34 districts ni nyina no enrollment in that particular private one mechanism because it's done by NGO no na endru even 3% of our population as a country na is enkova nru ba bia endru 10% kra na akohia se oman no so nya ni suade hu enti in 1995 pra Facebook therefore, join news the research on a ahimfo the research document in the mami. Now in 1995, President Rawlings won a sessional address in Parliament or delivered on January 6th. Me mau link no now wako me mau source no now wako she now I verified. In 1995, President Rawlings won a sessional address or Parliament January 6, 1995. And of course, was I retreat here in January 21 and 1997. Say, or piloty a scheme ebe buama for enya health care free. Intimate sure baby free. Immediate post colonial era no. Right after independence, Kwame Nkrumah dream poor de buy. And the Catholic diocese the omdibe shame Nkranza community health insurance. And in 1995, Rawlings was making this war pilot. So look at where the idea started from. Now, 1995, President Rawlings won a sessional address in January 6 and January 21. Or can say, or be piloted this scheme in the Eastern region. You can check that. And it's quoted here. Or see, the one and a Catholic diocese in the yedadama. They will study it, will be studied as well as the performance of existing rural health insurance schemes already operating in Nkranza and West Gonja. Medical when we say almost 34 districts, so that problems can be identified and eliminated before implantation begins on the national scale. That was Rawlings' decision, an idea to pilot it in the Eastern region. Now, we must see free Catholic for the Ombesha in the 1970s and 80s. And this thing is over 50 years ago. The idea of CF financing health Ghana over 50 years ago. Ya me the year 2000s and I'm there. Now, before now Rawlings enya sa idea so be eliminate cash and carry. And mama reference to where he mentioned that on his sessional address in 1995. Even other sources stress in 1993, he mentioned that in his speech. And also this is 1997 sectional address no. Okoti say omunsua bibin free Catholic for the normal chance ye dadade mu. Na yemfa nye bia ebeboa country no. Eda Facebook ubetumi abehwe ye live. We a fact. You can make your noise, but the fact still stands. Now in 2009 in 2001 unim say that time now Rollins Efra Baimu. So the idea no, there was a committee Rollins form so be head steady Catholic die no ne no ma keka no ma bom ne yetimi anya a policy bia national health policy bia be boa ye ma yetimi akova obia until that policy no ebetumi aye adwuma no na committee no hyehyɛ aye bibia enka wo mo de be implement and unfortunately Rollins so ebre ne so ya okoye. So the national implementation of the health insurance no anya adwuma ewo Rollins peso apart from the initiation and piloting no na oye no enti in the year 2001 ena mampani kofo ebehu say ade a na yahya ase edada no ebeboa. So mampani kofo ebo moden ene na ban eye nhyehyeye a wonom hu said they will pick something from ideas and a committee no Rollins asset is woman study from the Catholic diocese die no any ade no be pick bi na omode aye emra ebeboa ma afi no yebenya health insurance a ebekọ minor fa na bia enti enam so ma wo mo draft ye einate eye emra National Health Insurance Act 650 in the year 2003. But implementation and operationalization is as year 2004. And it started as a district mutual health insurance. District management now mo share insurance or district bia. Tubeko district bia near office insurance officer in the assembly your management mo share insurance in betimi akoso. It is started as a district mutual health insurance as of that time when it was operationalized in 2004. Enti Bakofo the was the biggest after independence the Enwa Nkrumah Shase Nkakra Rollins so de na adwene bai no Kofo the no was the biggest because that one came with a big draft and a law to back it. It sounds so record district bia across the country. Entina akoye ne say yehuni nyina se Kofo because a record baby because we are piloting in the Eastern region. Maybe you were not staying in the Eastern region, so you might not hear it. But the chassis free baby. If you were not there in Nkrumah's time, you might not even feel it. Say by or if you don't read. And maybe but na nye kesi said ye Kofo ebeye no. And that is why ye praise mampani di wo Kofo say wama health insurance abegyina mu denden ewo memu. So in 2009 Ebra Professor Atamos ebaye no. Nyame mfa ne krensi ye. And yes, so obey introduce a universal NHIS ID cards. At that Facebook you can come. We a facts. And ya fede be bia. Emotions need the obey to media room. Ya de buy we na say and the obey to media room. But this is the genesis of health funding and financing when we are insuring health in Ghana. Now in 2009, Professor Atamos yes, universal NHIS ID card. I be replace district led one no. Who say na district, the district bia won de obekono akoye card wo district eduru ba bi kra district abe no na hwa na ese wokohwe wo ho yade. Enti na wo de track another district kra ye nhwe. Na wo ho. And Professor Mills yes no, yenya no universal. Eso wura ba bia sa card no nko akura wa. Etwa se mi free Ashanti region ko Eastern region me ko ba bia ese yetimi ye den ehwe me. And that thing also started. And now, and to me, I'm into a Parliament Health Committee report in the year 2011. Ube who said Professor Fifi Atamos na Gusua operate under him with the district mutual health insurance because when to me I implemented the universal one and no person will come home assembly fully. I bear on a national scale, state-led funding. When to me and Yenisa. Now, so we share 2009 budget no presented on March 5th, 2009. Former president, the late president, Fifi Atamos, actually said the new universal ID cards no ebe replace the district mutual health insurance card na a beginning in 2008 akofo free so a na akofo so e wona adwene mi so obeye ne saa wantumi anye no ono no hyase 2009 na eno so mu ano wantumi I implement ni ye fully na mills edit to anananom wonsie do. So John Dramani Mahama ebe take over in 2012. In October 31 2012 ena ye pass NHIS Act 2012 bra Facebook edao we nyo bi na ebo nchima kasem. Dissolution of district mutual health insurance and establishment of single NHIS. Tisi enya single NHIS, a state-led funding one source. Ye call ye nimu ni de. In 2012, Act 852, passed in the Parliament, assented into law on October 31, 2012. Ebe replace the NHIS Act 2003 no Act 650 and ye mutual. Ebe afi ye benya national health insurance scheme. Ye state-led. This is the genesis of the national health insurance now. So, in summary, the idea to make health service free for Ghanaians, it started from Kwame Nkrumah post-independent, immediately. My reference from US 8 report, no bit me correct. My show answer. Then, Rollins, mentioned plan set. Obema yenya national scale ebe ye policy ebe boya mi yenya state-led funding which started in 1990s no material parliamentary document 1997 a sectional address in parliament medical mal references ni na Kofo government Rollins entimi enwie ne pilot entimi anso sidie feli na Kofo ebe so mu a ode be ye mra ayenya NHIS Act in 2003 no I no eba be so mu na ebo ayema health insurance no etimi kokoko district ni nyina and then mamu who say the National Health Insurance Act be ma yenya a national single or a universal national health insurance no the law was passed in 2012 so this is the facts, not emotions. Insura 104.5. We any baby a health insurance is free. You cannot pinpoint one person and say health insurance ne initiation. You cannot pinpoint one person and say to say miracles abuaji can say kofo ne de buy or initiate national health insurance no woman. When you are doing that, now I say, you are trying to be intellectually dishonest, kakra, because there are facts and there's history behind it. A chassis free baby. In fact, baby, a move from one place to the other. Cry, can one say me this one district to the other. Ne mutual afford the buy cry. Almost the idea in the chassis cry with the Catholic diocese. I make can buy in Kranza community health insurance. It's actual baby free. Any baby a bedroom. That is the fact. In it, we and your emotions be Jeff scream for me. And your emotions be any other better to said your fact in it any day amount our number one account radio station in Nhyira 104.5. Medin the Berima Kofi Dawson, which me from Akokoa. Enche, many abedjafo ebidin komo na yahre enoma ewo me basisia.